Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a beautiful web service which is there on site internet, which is driveuploader.com. So this lets you upload files directly inside your Google Drive. So if you are running a website, let's suppose, you can just upload this. It will give you a unique link where you can just uh, give your students a link and they can directly upload files to your Google Drive. So basically, if you have a Google Drive and if you want others to upload files, or if you want to upload your own file also, you can just use this web service. So this web service is developed in Node.js Express, and it uses the concept of WebRTC, peer-to-peer file sharing, and also it uses Socket.io. So these are the technologies that this website uses. I have given the link in the video description. This is the web service which is deployed on this link, driveuploader.com. This is a website. So just go to the video description and you can just use this web service. And now let me just to tell you how to use this. So basically you need to sign in first of all. They have different plans out there. You can see you will only need the free plan if you just want to upload the files. They offer unlimited upload. The size limit is not there. You can also upload multiple files at once, and it will give you this upload link which you can send it by email. You can also share it using social media, so as well as Facebook, WhatsApp. And you can see they have also plus plan, pro plan, also $4 per month, $14 per month. So basically they have their own API also. You can see, you can read more about it. They also have a JavaScript API, so where you can just drag and drop files. So now let me just show you how to sign in. So first of all you need to sign in here. So you can sign in with your Google account. You must have a Google account. Let me sign in here. So you need to allow the permission here. After clicking allow, you will see all your uploaders which are there. Let me start from scratch. So first of all you need to create a uploader link where you can just send out this link to your friends. There you can upload files. So click on create, and here you can click the just give a unique name of your form here. So let's suppose I give upload form. This is my title, and you can check mark this options for additional details. Let's suppose if you want for a specific name of the person and email also before they upload any sort of file, you can check this option. You can also uncheck this. And the second option is that whenever someone will upload files to your Google Drive, you will get a notification email after they uploaded the file. So this is really good because you will get a notification directly inside your email address. So inside advanced settings, you can just select which folder you need to select. So you can create a new folder. Let's suppose I create a new folder here. Uh, so you can just create a new folder here, which will be drive files. So I can create a new folder here. So it has created this new folder here. So I can just give the path here. So I can just change the destination folder. So this is drive files, so I can change this drive files. So destination folder is this, and here you can select if you want to only upload one file, or you can upload multiple files. So multiple files is selected here. So file types, any extension. So if you want to only receive image files, video files, you can just do this. But by default, any you can receive any file. So click on save, and now you will see it has created this unique link here. So you can upload this link to your website. Whenever website visitors come, they can upload through this link. So if you open this link inside a new tab, you will see this will have this upload form. So basically this is a Google Drive upload form where users can upload multiple files at once. So this is a great thing, great application where you can receive files from multiple people at the same time. They can upload to your Google Drive directly without having to sign in. So you can also send this link through email address also. You can embed this also. For embedding it, you need to upgrade your plan. and for API also you need to upgrade your plan. So now let me just show you how to do this. So if anyone comes to this link here, they can directly select files from their system. Let's suppose I need to select multiple files. Let me upload these 4 images. So you can see you need to provide your name and email address. So this you can provide. Let's suppose my name. Here you can provide a fake email address also if you don't want to provide your own email. So click on continue, and now you can see it will upload these 4 image files. And if after uploading, you will get a notification email also. And now let me also show you after refreshing, they are successfully uploaded. So now you can see it has successfully uploaded here. If I refresh, you will see. Now we need to open this folder here. So I have provided this folder. So you can see the screenshot has been successfully uploaded here. So you can see. So it is uploading here. So once it uploads here successfully, so you can see it is uploading the third screenshot. So it takes some time. So after it successfully uploads, you will get a notification email. So now it is uploading the 4th image. So if I refresh here, you can see 3 images are successfully uploaded. So it is uploading the 4th image also. So just wait. So as your image is large, it will take obviously some time to upload. So it is saying please wait. After uploading, it will be, you can see upload successful, thank you. And now you will see inside this folder we have successfully uploaded 4 files inside of a Google Drive without having to sign in. Just having this unique link, you can share it with your friends, and they can directly upload to your Google Drive using this link. So this is a great application, and also you will get a mail also. If I open my Gmail, let's suppose, sorry, so this is not my, we need to open this email address, Gmail. So inside this you will get an email address, a notification email that your files have been successfully uploaded. So you can see guys, new files inside your upload form. So whenever someone uploads this, you will get a nice email here. It will tell you which files are being uploaded to your Google Drive. So that way you will know which person has uploaded which files to your Google Drive. So you can see it also gives you the name of the person, email address of the person, you can contact it. So this is a great application guys. You can just use this for in many applications. If you are helping others, you can just give this link and they can directly upload to your Google Drive. Or let's suppose you are teaching someone and you need to be having some video files, then you can give this unique link and they can directly upload to your Google Drive. So I think this is a great web application which is developed in Node.js Express, Socket.io, WebRTC, peer-to-peer sharing, file sharing. So this is a great application. You should definitely try it. I have given the link in the video description. So check out this website driveuploader.com, and thanks very much for watching this video.